What's up, guys? Today I wanted to show you my Shin-ei, whatever, however you say it, the FY2 fuzz pedal. Finished it up. If you're interested in building this, I'm going to leave a link down below in the description for the layout, the circuit board, all the parts list, the whole 9 yards. So if you looked at any of my other pedal builds and you want to do this one, everything will be in the description. Shot of the back, the sides, and we'll open it up, take a look at the inside. So there you go, that's a shot of the insides. We'll get a little closer there. The Jesus and Mary chain use this pedal, the Black Keys use this pedal, so if you want some wicked, wild fuzz, this is it. The transistors here, they're C945s, and if you can kind of see that, it's not emitter base collector, it's actually emitter collector base, so you got to make sure the collector and base don't short out, because the collector is in the middle where the base is on the right hand side.